Hello students of Standard 2nd. Welcome you all to DML Public School e-learning class. I am your English teacher Renuka Seshava. So let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same topic, same lesson, that is two shops. This is part 2. So let's start. Let us take a short recap of this lesson, what we have learned in part 1. So, the name of the lesson is Two Shops. There is a small city of India. There were two shops. One was bookshop and another was a sweet shop. The shopkeeper of bookshop was a smiling man, and his shop had cards, gifts, story books and paintbrushes and many more things. And many people went to the bookshop, and another shop is sweet shop. The sweet shop had boxes of sweets, many types of chocolates, jars, lollipops, and etc. The shopkeeper of the sweet shop was a very frowning man. Frowning, it means very angry, anger. So no one came to his shop. The frowning man could not understand why the people are not coming in my shop. Why all the people going to the bookshop? He was unable to understand. The frowning man could not understand why no one came to his shop. One day he was looking out. Two men came on ponies. They went into the bookshop. After some time, some girls also went inside the bookshop. The shopkeeper frowned more and more. He became very angry. At that time, two women with babies came into the sweet shop. One baby saw the frown on the man's face and started crying. The woman went. Now let us see ahead what happened next. The woman went out without buying anything. As they opened the door, the shopkeeper saw his face in the mirror of the door. "What a frown!" he said. He looked again and saw that it was his own face. He was so surprised that he began to laugh. He laughed so loudly. When he saw his own face, he was so surprised that he began to laugh. He laughed so loudly that the babies also began to laugh. One woman came back and took a box of lollipops. The other boys and girls heard his laugh and came to buy sweets. Men and women also came to buy cakes. From that day, the shopkeeper always smiled and his shop was always full of people. So he understood the reason behind this, why the people not came in his shop. He find out the reason that his face was full of fraud and people scared, and nobody likes such type of people. So from that day he started laughing, and all the people will also reply in a positive way. So my dear students, we should laugh. Dear students, here we end this lesson. Let us solve some exercise and questions. Do it yourself. See the first one. Match the following to make complete sentence. This is match the pair. Two columns has been given here, column A and column B. According to the lesson, you have to match column A with the column B. For example, there were two shops in the city. The baby cried when he saw the frown. No one went to the sweet shop. The bookshop had paint brushes. The shopkeeper of the bookshop was a smiling man. In this way, you have to write all these questions in your notebook. And see the question number 2. Answer the following question. These are the question answers. You will write all questions and their answers in your notebook. For example, see question number 1. How many shops were there? There were two shops. When you will attempt question answers, dear students, write answers in complete sentence and all questions you will write in your notebook. This is question number 3. Arrange each of these letters to form a word from the story. Okay, the words which have been given here, these all words are taken from the story and these words are given in their jumbled form. So you have to be unjumble these words. For example, the first one is done for you. See the A, ROWFN. Okay, so this is jumbled letters. So these jumbled letters arrange in a proper sequence, in a proper form and make a meaningful word. So ROWFN, it becomes FROWN, that is frown. In this way, all rest of these words you will arrange it. Now this is your assignment time. Let's see what is in your homework. This is question number 4. Let us read what is in it. Rewrite the sentences given below by changing the numbers of the underlined words. First one has been done for you. See the example. There is a shop. There are shops. So the words which is underlined, those words you will write in their plural form and rewrite the sentence where the space given below. So see the second one. A man came on pony. So what will be the correct answer? Men came on ponies. Men came on ponies. In this way, you will solve rest of these questions in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day. We will see you in our next session. Till then, bye bye.